Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching and recording, you can just fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Yanni and Leon. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Joanne. Alright, it is time for us to start. And today we continue with the Rain series by Tara Brach, based on her book Radical Compassion, that I really recommend to everybody. And I'll remind you that the RAIN acronym in this practice stands for Recognize What's Happening, Allow Life to Be Just as It Is, Investigate with kind and open attention, and Nurture with loving presence. And the specific practice we're going to do today is to trace back our wanting. And we are all, in some sense, always in this push and pull of wanting something. So we're going to explore that, how not to get attached to it, how we can release it. So as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. You may want to scan your body from top to bottom, or from bottom to top, and just notice what's going on for you today. Moment that you could not hear me, and apparently my Bluetooth was not connected. Is it better now? Before I start, please let me know. Okay, perfect. Sorry about that. So today we're going to continue our RAIN series of meditations from Tara Brach's book, Radical Compassion. This particular practice, it's going to be on tracing back our wanting. We are always in this constant pull of desire to do something, to be someone, or to be with someone, or to control something. And so today we're going to try to trace back this wanting energy and see how we can let it go so that it doesn't cause us suffering. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body. Notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. Notice your breathing. And as usual, try not to control it. Right away, coming into recognizing this wanting something to be the way you think it should be or the way you want it to be. So let your breath be natural. Let go of this desire to make it a certain way. See if you can observe just one cycle of breath from the very beginning to the very end. From the moment the air becomes your breath, when you're breathing in, to the moment when you release your breath into the space in front of you and it becomes air again. Now scan your life right now and sense where the energy of wanting might be taking over in some way and causing you suffering. Again, maybe it's wanting things to be a certain way, or wanting to buy something, be with somebody, control something. Bring to mind a particular situation that might regularly trigger the desire or the thoughts that most stimulate this wanting. And let the situation, those thoughts, be as clear and close as possible, so that you can feel this energy of wanting alive inside you. Notice its physical manifestation in your body. As always in the rain practice, first you recognize what's happening. So you recognize that you have this desire, this wanting, whatever it is. And then you allow the wanting to be there, just as it is. And if at the same time you notice a layer of judgment, self-judgment, oh, I shouldn't be feeling this, see if it's possible for you to send a gentle message that this is okay, that this is a common, natural, universal experience. Nothing is wrong with you. Now investigate this desire, this wanting, with kind and open attention. Let your physical posture express wanting, perhaps by leaning forward, clenching your fists, feeling how your face is when this energy of wanting is very strong. And then bring your attention inside your body. Where do you feel this energy? What sensations are you most aware of? Are they pleasant or unpleasant? Is there any emotion associated with it? Is there fear, frustration? Continue investigating by asking yourself these questions. What do you most long for right now? Is it attention, safety, acceptance, connection, understanding, love, anything else? Listen in, and then, whatever the response is, ask. Imagine if you already received that. What would that give you? What would that be like? And maybe you need to repeat this question a few times before you get to your answer. Imagine if you received that. What would it give you? what would your life be like? As you ask yourself this question over and over again, try to feel in your body what the experience you're wanting really is. What would it actually feel like if you got this love, understanding, connection, belonging you long for? How would that feel? And then we go into the last step of the rain, nurture. Do it by giving yourself permission to open to and fill yourself with the goodness of this experience that you truly long for, not the surface wanting that you started with. The experience of love, understanding, connection, belonging that is really underneath our every desire. Soak this goodness into every cell and rest in the experience that you are truly longing for. As you go through your day today, whenever you notice that you're grasping after something, that you're really wanting something or wanting to control something, try to go deeper with this practice of rain and see what it really is you're longing for. And allow yourself to experience your true longing as if it's already here, already fulfilled. See if it changes anything for you. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.